Hello and welcome. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use the self-healing feature of Tricentis Tosca in order to create robust test cases. The self-healing feature allows users to create test cases that are more stable and require less manual effort. It also helps users to detect changes in the system under test. When a module is created using Tosca XScan, Tosca Rescan, or Recorder, Tosca automatically adds self-healing properties to the Self-Healing Properties tab of the module attribute. These properties store technical data of the HTML control. Tosca uses this information to self-heal a broken control. If you enable self-healing mode for your test case, then Tosca tries to find the control during execution. If Tosca fails to find it, then it tries to find a similar control in the system under test, or SUT. Let's look at an example. We will use the demo web shop and verify if the search icon exists on the page. For this, a new module is required. Now, launch the XScan window and select Scan Application, and then select the Demo Web Shop window. Once the scan is completed, locate and select the corresponding element with the search button at the top of the website and save the module. Next, create a test case and use the module that you just scanned to verify this control exists. Upon execution, this test case works fine. Now, let us change the value of the property being used to steer this control in the Developer tool. Start by changing the value from Search to Find so that the test case fails. Now, run the test case again. And as expected, it fails to find the control since the property of the control being used for module attribute identification has been updated. Now, enable self-healing. There are 3 options that you can choose for self-healing configurations. First is weighted, which assigns a weighted algorithm to all self-healing properties to find the most unique control. Second is combination. It creates all possible combinations of all properties that are stored in the self-healing properties to find a suitable control. Third is false. This disables the self-healing mode. Use weighted configuration for our example. Under the Test Configuration tab, create a parameter titled Self-Healing. Set the value to weighted. Add another parameter titled Self-Healing Weight Threshold. Set its value to 0.75. You will see that now the test case is executing successfully after enabling self-healing. You can distinguish the self-healed test case in the execution list by noticing a blue heart icon displayed on the execution entry. This indicates that the test case was self-healed. You can right-click on the Details column log to heal the module and update the technical properties with the latest detected values. You can modify the self-healing properties during the module scanning process by clicking on Self-Healing Properties in the Advanced view of the XScan window. There, you can select or deselect the self-healing properties. Furthermore, you can add, edit, or delete self-healing properties after module scan by selecting a module attribute and then navigating to the Self-Healing Properties tab, where you can add a new property or delete an existing one. Congratulations, you have completed this lesson. You are now able to successfully use the self-healing feature of Tricentis Tosca.